Good afternoon, crystal lovers. Queen Bee here, and this is take 2 of this particular video. I had to delete the first one, but it is September, and Beadbox Bargains has sent me their September box, and I'm going to unbox it for you all again, and hopefully we can enjoy all the pretties and see what they sent me. Anyway, this is called Sweater Weather Collection, and that is some details of what they sent and what it cost originally. So for $22.99, you're getting $94.78 worth of goodies this time around. So let's take a peek. Move on what I'm going to unbox over here, and everything over here on the other side. And oh, sorry about the camera. Gonna try something a bit different so you all can see things a bit better. Trying a different way of filming today. Now, this is 8mm petrified wood matte round beads, and it's a 15-inch strand. Very different. Very nice. Alright, next we have 6x4 crystal faceted rondelle beads in matte steel blue, and it's 8 inches long. Very nice. Next on the list is 12 pieces of 10mm bronzite matted round beads. Very nice. A lot of fall colors that are gonna have a lot of pop to them. Let's see what else we got. We have 10-piece floral medallion links, antique bronze. So bronze is going to be the thing that'll bring all this box together. Very nice. Very different. And so, yes, I heard about these, some wood beads that they thought would be a different thing. They don't usually do wood or plastics a lot, but this seemed to fit the theme that they have. So, which is very different. It almost looks like leather. Very nice. Get 2 of those. Ah, yes. 2-piece. 30mm mahogany obsidian wave flat round focal bead. There you get 2 of them in this particular one. And they are very nice. Very nice. Oh yes, these glass flower beads in navy blue, which I thought were very, very different, but definitely very interesting thing to try to put in with all this. Glass patterned matte round bead, 10mm, and you get 10 of them, and it's in slate blue iris. Trying to get the details as much as I can so you all can see them. some, oh, nice toggles to go with this. It's like 2 of them. And, oh, some glass flower beads in navy blue. There we go. Very nice indeed. Oh, dropped one. Can't have that. And we have some filigree flower components in antique bronze. And you get 4 of them. And they have a lot of nice detail on them. There we go. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And some glass barrel spacer dark coral beads. You get 7 inches of these. And yep, they have that glass feel to them. Okay, next we have 4mm mahogany obsidian round beads, 15 inches. These are faceted, so they kind of catch the light. Oh no, they're not. They're not faceted, are they? Nope, just round. Still pretty. They catch the light very nicely. Let's see. We have floral chandelier findings. Ooh, so great earring things. Nice earring things, yeah. Nice, very nice. Those will definitely make some nice earrings. Or if you want to make even a wine necklace, those are handy to have. We have 4mm crystal faceted biocone beads in opaque gray. Get 12 inches of it. And we have 50-piece 6x5 daisy spacer beads in antique bronze. Very nice indeed. And we have the glass bead mix in autumn hearth. Not even going to bother opening that, but lots of nice colors in there. Okay, got some bead caps in antique bronze. A nice thing to add to it. Okay, we have 6mm brown agate round beads dyed and 7 inches of them. There we go. Very nice. A lot of detail in that. Alright, now we have 6mm crystal faceted beads and cube beads in light steel blue. You've got 7 inches of that. And, ooh, they have sparklies. Look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a nice sheen to that. And we have some chain. They always include a bit of chain. Filigree jewelry chain in antique bronze. And last but not least, we have 10 pieces of filigree flower components in antique bronze. I will get one out so you guys can see the details. And there it be. Very nice indeed. So, September's bead box bargain box does not fail with anticipation. Look forward to next month's in October and see what they send me. Like I said, right now they're still charging $22.99 for it, but they keep saying they're gonna probably up the price to $24.99 soon, so grab it while you can if you want to stay on the $22.99 price. Anyway, so with all that being said, please like, share, and subscribe if you like the content and would like to see more. Anyway, this is Queen Bee signing off for now. Thanks so much for stopping by.